Do you know how it feels to be taking a walk after lunch during the lunch break? So, the purpose of this is to make the steps up to 5,000 or more so that by the end of the day I'll be achieving 7,000 steps at least by today evening. So, that will kind of 130 kilocalories to be burnt, and yeah, so that is the purpose, and the objective is to lose weight, of course. So lose weight means losing calories, and also keep in shape. Yeah, so I utilize this after lunch hour to take walk uh, on our portico, we can say. And yes, just say 30 rounds of this will do the trick for me. So that's it.
Every day 30 rounds will do the trick.
Trick means 1,000 steps it will be. So here is my friend Rituparna.
Hello.
And so we both take walk. We are workmates and friends, colleagues. Yeah.
आप लोग वापस आओगे ना?
And so that is it. So utilize this after lunch break. So once you have lunch break, what happens is, anyways you have to take walk because you can't sit down after the lunch. So that is bad. If you so you accumulate calories once you sit down after the lunch. So that would be the tendency. So have light lunch and utilize the time to take your steps, and also say few words. So I am accepting myself today, accepting other person instead of snapping that person off, because that is what my tendency is. So I am acknowledging that part of me which is very toxic in terms of my habit. So how it links to my identity is, my identity Puppy Jappy is not 100% if I am not accepting the other person. I don't know of their circumstances, I don't know of their professionalism, mostly I don't know about their ambition, which is why this judgmental approach from me. Their ambition is great, and that is, once I know, it will be a great collaboration with people who handle money, who successfully handle money, who are dealing with and minting money, I can say, trading. All those people somehow I didn't like, because there is something in their eyes which say that they are ruthless towards money matters, and no, ruthless in their approach when it concerns money. I don't have to be worried about that part of them because that is their experience. I am good with mine. I don't have to be judgmental. That part of me which is also ruthless at times also exists, and so it exists nonetheless. So yeah, that gives me a clarity of thought when I get to be judgmental and not accepting the other person, and that hinders my identity of being Puppy Jappy to 100%. I'm 100% that. I don't want any compromises on that. And Puppy Jappy is flexible, so that is why I'm taking the walk. Take the walk if possible. You too. and see you in another video. Thank you.